Hey guys, I'm about to share 8 most travel items that seriously you can't go anywhere without it. But wait, stick until the end because I've got one bonus item that's going to totally change how you pack. Once you try it, you'll never want to leave for a trip without it. What's up friend, you're with the Chubby Traveler. My name is Andre. Today, I'm super excited to let you in my 8 most travel essential things I never leave home without it when I hit the road. Oh, and everything I mention is something I bought myself or is super easy to find on Amazon. Drop a comment, let me know what's your must-have travel items. I'd love to hear what I'm missing on. All right, let's get into it. First up, the ultimate travel buddy. This thing is awesome because it's super practical, keeps your stuff safe, it's comfortable, and it looks good. It's a Sling backpack chest bag. Whether you're strolling through the city streets or hiking up a mountain, this bag's got you covered. It's small, sits right on your chest or on your back, and leaves you hand-free. Perfect, right? Plus, it got anti-theft feature like hidden zippers, pockets, so you don't have to stress about pickpockets. And some even have RFID blocking compartment to protect your card. That's pretty cool. Next up, number 2, it's a power bar with surge protector and USB ports. This thing is a lifesaver, especially when you're traveling with multiple devices. It's got a flat plug. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show it to you. It packs easily, and the surge protection is great because when you're charging your expensive electronics in random places, it will protect everything. And hey, you know those airport USB charger? They can be dodgy sometimes, so why take the risk? This power bar got 4 outlets, 3 USB ports. It's perfect if you're traveling with friends or family. And it's extremely versatile for international travel. Because when it's paired with a plug adapter that fits in the country where you are, with different sockets, you know, you always need those kind of adapters. This eliminates the fact that you need to carry everything. It has those multiple holes, so everything is okay. Now, since we're talking about charging your stuff, number 3 is something you should always have. I think not even just traveling all the time with you, and if you could put it in your sling bag, you could put it in your backpack. I'm talking about power banks. Yeah, I'm not the first one, but these ones, they're the Asper X 10,000 milliamp, and it comes in pairs. You got two. They're small, but mighty, I can tell you that. They will charge your phone a couple times over. They're also, one important thing, they're also approved for the airline, so no worries there. Whether you're on a long flight or wandering in a new city or even hiking, these babies will keep your device juiced up, of course. You have the both USB-C, USB-A port, so it makes them super compatible with a wide range of devices. We're moving on right now. Let's go with number 4 on my essential items. You know that they are luggage tags. I got 3 here, but it comes in pack of 4. But especially these, they're the untethered luggage tag in bright green. It's super durable and easy to spot on the luggage carousel. I love this because, you know, they have privacy, so no one can see your personal information. I just put my little pictures on it. I'll show you that also. It's kind of cool. They're made of silicone. These tags are resistant to wear and tear. You know, it ensures that, you know, they remain intact even during those rough handling at airport or on a journey. Pro tip, like I just said, I just put my name, I put my email, my phone number, that's it. And on a future video, I'll show you how I added that little picture. It's kind of cool. Next one, how about always knowing where your bags are following you every step of the way? Oh, sorry to interrupt. Could you like the channel? Yeah, you could do that. It doesn't cost you anything. If you do that, maybe it's gonna help for YouTube to show that kind of video to other people. If you like what you're seeing right now and you wanna see more, just like and subscribe. Back to the video. Okay, number 5 is a game changer for me. It's the Samsung SmartTag2. Yeah. We all heard of the AirTags, but what if you don't have an iPhone and you just got an Android? I use these ones. These ones, they are the perfect alternative in my eyes. There's no better feeling than to know that your luggage is right under your plane seat in the belly of the beast. The SmartTags2 provides precise tracking, durability, they have long battery life. It makes an ideal choice for travelers. Number 6, since we're talking about luggage, this one is for one of you who hate paying overweight luggage fee. Trust me, you need a luggage scale. It's like under $20, but it will save you from having to pay extra or repack at the airport. And we all know that they're not messing around, even for 1 pound over. This is, for my head, it's a total stress saver. So now, we're getting close to my absolute must-have items. I can't travel anywhere without it. And trust me, you won't want to either. Hang in there, we're almost there. But before that, number 7 it's airplane pressure relief earplugs. Guys, these are lifesaver. I got a bad ear infection once because I couldn't pop my ears during a flight. I said never again. For real, at first, I did not believe it would do anything, but darn was I wrong. These earplugs make a huge difference, and also it helps you block out ambient noises on the plane by 26 dB. So if you break your ANC earphones like I did once, that's better to have that. Number 8 is an excellent travel companion for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable on the go. It's the 1P portable fan. Not sure how you say it, but that's what it is. Look at that. It's small, it's quiet, it has a rechargeable battery so you can use it in the plane, train, or anywhere. If you've been on a cruise, you know, or you will learn soon, that there's barely any outlet, so this fan is just perfect. It's equipped with a 4,000 milliamp rechargeable battery. This fan, it provides hours of cooling without needing a constant power source. I think I put it at the beginning of the night, 8 hours, 10 hours, it's still working, so that's really cool. So, here's the bonus. Wonder why you didn't think of this sooner? It's a total game changer. Whether you're traveling for a week, 2 weeks, or even longer, you'll eventually need to wash some clothes, right? But trying them on a chair, draping them over the shower, it just doesn't cut it. Seriously, I've met so many people who traveled for years and years and they never thought about that. So my friends, dash to your nearest camping store and grab, hold on, it's right here, a clothesline. Yeah, you'll be amazed on how handy and portable it is to dry your clothes quickly. Kind of funny, but super easy to know about. I never thought about that before seeing it. So I hope you try out some of these items and let me know in the comment if they make your life travel easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next adventure, my friends.